The future of baking doesn't just happen. It's built by the people who know it best. At AMF, we engineer smart solutions designed to tackle the toughest challenges in industrial baking. Through our specialized teams, we aim to deliver higher outputs and reduce downtime across your bakery's operations. Every AMF innovation empowers bakery teams to increase yield, reduce costs, and produce quality products at scale. This is the Lights Out Bakery, a bold step toward the next generation of baking, where sophisticated automation solutions meet a sustainable vision for the future. Using innovations like those in the Bakery Intelligence portfolio, we bring clarity to complexity with real-time data that gives you greater visibility and control, so you can make smarter decisions. From mixer to marketplace, we're working to create a new era of possibility for automated bakery solutions. AMF technologies help reduce your bakery's environmental impact without reducing performance, because sustainability is built into our DNA. Through extended machine life, less waste, and lower labor costs, we help lower your cost of ownership. But behind every technological breakthrough is a person, a baker, an engineer, a technician, the human insight that pushes innovation forward. With AMF, you're never on your own. We have over 800 experts on your team, on-site, online, around the world. Our customer care team empowers your operation with real-time diagnostics, preventative maintenance, and hands-on training to foster the long-term growth of your bakery teams and business. Growth also starts with new ideas. We partner with bakeries like yours to develop fresh, innovative products that help your portfolio evolve alongside ever-changing consumer tastes. From our Innovation Center to our newest pilot bakery, we turn new ideas into real-world success, fueled by the industry's most trusted family of brands. From mixer to marketplace, AMF is your baking partner of choice. Today, tomorrow, and beyond.